Hi friends, today I'm going to talk about baby liquid cleansers, like how to use these cleansers to clean your baby's feeding accessories and toys, as well as how to sterilize your baby's feeding accessories and all. Come on, let's get into the topic. So as we know, newborns and babies are developing immune systems, so they are in need of very high hygiene. So as a mother, it's our duty to keep their environment very clean and free from harmful chemicals. So it's recommended to use these cleansers to wash out the baby items that are come into close contact with the baby's mouth, and that can be sterilized by boiling or steaming. So for every mother there is a question: do you need a liquid cleanser to wash a baby's bottle, or else can I use the normal conventional dishwashing soaps? So yes, it's best to use a safe and gentle baby cleansers to wash your baby's feeding accessories, because it doesn't contain any harsh chemicals. If you are using the conventional soaps and all, so obviously it's a complete pack of chemicals, so that can leave some traces behind your bottles while washing. So even these traces could get you into your baby's milk or water and pose a health hazard over the time. So it's best to go for cleansers rather than using the normal dishwashing soaps. So come on, let's see how to clean your baby's feeding accessories using these cleansers. So when it comes to cleaning, the first and foremost thing you have to keep in mind is the bottle should be cleaned immediately after every use. If you found no time, means please at least rinse those bottles with normal water at the time and keep it aside, and when you have time, clean it thoroughly. So first, while cleaning, disassemble the bottle completely, like bottle and nipple separately, and wash those bottles with these cleansers, with few drops of cleansers and hot water. So with these few drops of cleansers and hot water is sufficient to kill those germs. Then use a dedicated brush to clean the bottles. So after cleaning, rinse it thoroughly and make sure that no traces of soap are behind in it. And after that, let them air dry it thoroughly before storing. Okay. So this is how you have to clean your baby's feeding accessories. So come on, let's see how to sterilize your baby's feeding accessories. So when it comes to sterilization, the one important thing is it's not necessary to sterilize your baby's bottles too often. So if you're doing it on a regular basis, means then it can potentially damage the bottle itself. So please don't do that. So do the sterilization occasionally. Okay. So how to sterilize these bottles with boiling water? So for this process of sterilization, the equipment you are required is just about water and a clean pot. So a clean pot filled with enough water to cover the bottles. So submerge the freshly washed bottles into it and bring the water to boil. So boil the water to about 5 minutes. And one thing I have to notice here is, please check the bottle's manufacturer's guideline for any variations. Okay. So once it's boiled, please turn off the heat and remove the bottles and let them air dry it. So if your baby is under formula fed, means please don't go with 1 or 2 bottles. Keep at least 4 to 5 bottles and use them on alternative basis for better hygiene. Okay. So this is how you have to sterilize your baby's bottles with boiling water. So cleansers. So I have tried two brands of cleansers for my baby, like Pigeon and Mimi. So what's the difference I felt was like, so both Pigeon and Mimi are made from natural ingredients only. So when it comes to Pigeon, the consistency is somewhat watery, so while using it led to higher consumption, and cost wise also it's a bit higher when compared to others in the market. So when it comes to Mimi, so it's a ultimate natural cleanser essential for baby's health, and its consistency is very thick, and even few drops is enough for cleaning 5 to 6 bottles, and it doesn't have any smell, and cost wise if you see, it's too affordable. So I have preferred this one, and I have used this, and I'm still using it for my son. And these cleansers I have tried for my babies, cleaning accessories and toys alone. Like I haven't tried to clean fruits and vegetables because I don't think so it's much powerful than washing out fruits and vegetables with our salt and turmeric. So I haven't tried for this one. So I prefer these cleansers you can use for washing your baby's feeding accessories and toys only. So I hope this video will give you an idea about how to clean your baby's accessories and how to sterilize it and all. So if you like this video, please like it, share it, comment it, and if you have any suggestions, please pour it on comments box, and please do subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching.